Hi, I'm Freedom Gary and welcome to my YouTube channel. This episode we'll be unboxing a brand new Lionel switcher. But right behind me, guess what? We have a full-scale Lionel switcher. So let's go back to the train room, open up this box, put this switcher on the layout and see how it runs. So all aboard for a mild train adventure with Train Room Gary. Okay, we're back in the train room. Hope you enjoyed this trip to the Old Road Dinner Train in Blissfield, Michigan. The railroad is called the Adrian-Blissfield Railroad Company. And we'll be going back to that later on in the video, so stay tuned. We'll discuss more about the railroading in Blissfield, Michigan. But for right now, let's fire up this new Lionel SW8 switcher, very similar to one we saw in Blissfield. I'll be using the iPhone with the LionChief app on it. The way this works is I'm going to go up here, click the photographs. There's a picture of this locomotive right here, so I click the photograph. Up comes a description. Hit the link button. It's now linked up. Over here is the horn, the bell, crew talk. There's a forward reverse couplers. Let's hit that, see what that looks like. And this one here is more controls behind here, things you can adjust. We'll get that all set to go. It also has a voice command. I'm not a big fan of that, so we're not going to skip over that. And here's forward and reverse. All right, we got it forward. I think we got ready to roll here. Let's go ahead and move this engine forward by giving a little bit of throttle. We're going to stop the locomotive here. Let's put it in reverse. Bring it back to where we started at. Now you also can run this with the Lionel Universal Remote. But I really like this, use the LionChief App. And here's what the Universal Remote looks like. So you got the Universal Remote, or the LionChief app. Of course, if you have Legacy, you use a Legacy remote. Okay, to turn the locomotive off, you just hit the photograph, hit this link button, it turns it off, and close it off. Now this is in this arm. Even though it's still lit up, it's not receiving a message from the app on the iPhone. So hope you enjoyed. See how this thing fires up. Keep in mind, later in the video, we'll go back to the Blissfield Railroad in Blissfield, Michigan, and discuss more about that. So stay tuned. Come along as we run more this new locomotive and return to Blissfield, Michigan. Take a look at the Old Road Dinner Train. So stay tuned. This is Train with Gary. We're in Blissfield, Michigan at the Blissfield ice cream store. And we're going to walk over to the Blissfield station and board the Blissfield dinner train. All aboard. Okay, we're now trackside, just next to the station. This is the Adrian-Blissfield Railroad Company. This is their diesel locomotive. Locomotive number 1752, and it's going to be pulling tonight's dinner train, which is a murder mystery train. So let's get on board and see what's going on.
Hello, I'm Lucy Moros. This is the Old Road Dinner Train, and we are here at a holiday party. Welcome.
Looks like fun, man.
Hopefully no one's murdered tonight.
Oh yeah, we've got to avoid the murder scenes, man.
Hopefully not.
This is my wife Pam. We've now been seated on the train, and we're not going to tell you about the actual murder mystery because that's top secret. You want to see the actual murder mystery, buy a ticket and get on board. The menu tonight was Italian bread was the starter with, of course, fresh butter. Followed that with a winter's salad with the raspberry vinaigrette. The main course was a beef fillet with shrimp. It was served with mashed reds and asparagus, and the dessert was holiday cheesecake. This is the head chef. He did the steak and the shrimp, right? All of that, man. Look at that. First class. How'd it go? Well done. Thank you. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get all the notifications from YouTube. And as always, cheers to Detroit and Mackinac Railway.
This is Train Room Pam.
This is Train Room Gary. Thanks for watching. Please check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.